I'm Jeff Genac with the Revere Electric Supply Company. I'm here today to help you look at some new products from Rockwell Automation. We have a new line of products. They're 852C and 852D LED indicators. The C is the smaller one, D is the larger one. The C is a 35 millimeter diameter and the D is a 55 millimeter diameter indicator. It fits in a 25 millimeter hole, so basically a 1-inch hole, and this one fits in a 32 millimeter hole, so about 1 inch and 1/16 hole, if you were to mount it on an enclosure. We've got a couple of different versions of them. We have 3-color version, and that uses the 5-pin quick disconnect on the bottom, and we have the 3-color with a sounder built into it. We also have a 7-color that uses the 5 pins, but it uses a different technology. It's the RGB, red, green, blue LED technology. So there you use 3 binary. So 3 binary is 8 states. If they're all off, it's off. If one of them is on, it'll be a color depending on which one you energized. 1 pin is red, 1 pin is green, 1 pin is blue, and then it's the combination of those to get you the magenta, the turquoise, and the white, and yellow. If we have the 3 colors, the center pin is for the sounder if you have a sounder. It's the same thing with the 7-color version as well. It comes with a gasket. So if I mount that into an enclosure, say a stainless steel enclosure, this will be rated for IP69K. I really like IP69K if you're trying to keep things dry. So in a wash down application, high temperature, high pressure, caustic wash down, this meets the requirements for that, IP69K. Now if you were to mount it using this optional bracket that you can purchase, then it's IP65. There is a weak point between the connector and the plastic, derating it to IP65. If it's off, it's off. It's definitely off. Whereas if I have an LED indicator that has, say, a red lens on it, lighting might make it confusing. Is it on? Is it off? And this way, it's absolutely not a problem. You know that is not red. That is white, so that is off. If you have any more questions on this, there's a link down below that you can click on to a landing page on our website, and it has all the documentations, installation instructions, brochures, everything that you could possibly want to know about the 852 on-machine basic LED indicators. Thank you very much. Have a great day.